Everyone's talking about decentralization. It's a buzzword in crypto, in Web3, in alternative social media. But what does it really mean? And why is it so important? In this video, we'll take you deep into one of the most radical ideas of our time, the decentralized world. Not just a technology, but a new way to think about networks, power, and digital freedom. Let's start with what we know. The centralized world. Almost everything we use online today is controlled by a central authority. Banks, companies, platforms. Facebook decides what you can post. A bank can freeze your funds. Amazon can shut down your seller account. Basically, one entity has total control over the system. It works until it doesn't. And when things go wrong, users are powerless. Now let's flip the model. A decentralized system doesn't have one central point of control. It's distributed, many nodes in a network, each playing a role. Decisions aren't made top-down, but collectively, based on shared rules. Take Bitcoin, for example. There's no Bitcoin company, no CEO. It runs because thousands of independent nodes follow the same protocol and validate transactions. And this principle powers everything from decentralized apps, DApps, to organizations and even social platforms. No single authority, more resilience, transparency, and user control. Animation, network nodes syncing and validating. So why is decentralization such a big deal? It's not just technical, it's social, political, even philosophical. 1. Built-in security. Decentralized systems don't have a single point of failure. If one node is attacked or goes offline, the rest continue. That makes them far more resistant to hacks and manipulation. No censorship or arbitrary bans. On a centralized platform, a moderator or an algorithm can silence you. In decentralized systems, your voice, data, and transactions can't be unilaterally blocked. There are rules, but they're public, transparent, and enforced equally. Community governance. Through tools like DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, users help decide how a project evolves. Want a new feature? A change in strategy? It's voted on. The community has power. Radical transparency. Blockchains are public by default. Every transaction, every change is visible and verifiable. No hidden ledgers, no secret algorithms. 5. Personal ownership. In the decentralized world, you own your keys, your data, your assets. No more logging in with Facebook or Google. You control your identity and take it with you wherever you go. So where is this already happening? Here are real examples of decentralization in action. Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is decentralized money. Ethereum is a decentralized platform for applications. Together, they form the foundation of Web3. DeFi, decentralized finance. Platforms like Avi, Uniswap, and MakerDAO offer loans, exchanges, and investing without banks. Decentralized social media. Projects like Lens, Farcaster, and Nostr are building networks where you own your content and followers, not the platform. DAOs, community-driven organizations. From creative collectives to investment groups, DAOs let people manage resources and make decisions, together and without hierarchy. Decentralized cloud and storage. With IPFS, Arweave, and Filecoin, even data storage and websites can be hosted in a decentralized way. Let's be honest, decentralization isn't perfect. There are real challenges. It can be slower. The user experience isn't always intuitive. It takes time to learn, and not everything needs to be decentralized. But that's how all great revolutions begin. Remember the early internet? It was messy and confusing, but look at it now. Today, we're building a new digital layer, more open, more secure, more human-centered. You don't need to be a developer to explore Web3. Here are a few ways to get started right now. Set up a wallet, MetaMask, Rainbow, etc. Try a dApp, a DeFi platform, a game, a decentralized social network. Join a DAO and vote on proposals. Learn through open guides and communities. Build if you're a developer. Contribute if you're not. Share, moderate, create. Web3 isn't just about code. It's about people, communities, shared purpose. Being decentralized means this: a world where networks are free, where you control your data, where decisions are made together. It's not just a tech trend, it's a mindset, a social shift, a digital revolution. And the best part? You don't need permission to join. Visit our website to learn more. Discover Web3 tools, communities, and ideas. Explore the decentralized world, because the future of the web has no gatekeepers.